Hey, greetings again, my friend. I'm actually on my way back home from South. I stopped by a vendor to get, by the way, it's drizzling. When I stopped on a vendor to get a roast corn, I tell you, I was driving and having the corn at the same time. And can I tell you, it was delicious. I decided, you know what, I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna get another one. And I'm gonna make a small video for you. So there's the roast corn, man. How you doing, my brother? Good. How much for your corn? 150. 150. 150 tourist price.
Tourist price?
Jamaican price it was. But I buy one from you a while ago, man. And nice, man. I come up to buy another one.
Yeah.
So, yes, man. I'm me, man. I'm me same one. But you want to sell me another one?
Okay.
Alright, so you want to open it for me and come here and video it?
Yeah.
Alright, one nice one. That one ready? Ready?
See, you can buy one there and me take out some more.
I need another one.
No, man. Me no want. Oh, you want?
This one is good.
Oh, open that one there for me. Open that one for me. I want to show my readers exactly what it look like. So that is the roast corn. You roast it on top of the.
Yes.
What is this? Coal fire, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. This is how we do it Jamaican style. You roast it and you just pluck off the. What do you call that? The.
This is the corn syrup.
Okay. Alright, and you just cut off the extra thing there.
Yes.
Alright, fix me up now. Fix me up. Put it in one of them things. So that's it?
Yeah.
What? Alright. So while he's making change for the lady, I'm just showing you. That's the coal on the bottom, and then they roast it. The corn is like this one here. And then when it's roasted, it looks like that one over here. And then they take off the trash, and it look like this one here. Alright, so I want to fix up that one for my brother.
Okay.
So this, which one are you gonna give me? Give me this one. Alright? And I'm gonna die. Put it in, keep it in the thing there. How much is it again? 100, right?
Alright.
Tourist price or local price? I'm not pressure you know, whatever price you say.
150, but
150? No, man, I'll give you 150, man. You're not pressure me. Jamaican style. Alright. Cool. 200. Better change. Alright, respect you. Alright, so we eat it with what? We just eat it, so? You know, alright, we have it like this. No salt, nothing. Alright, guys.
you need salt on it?
No, man, that's fine.
Coconut.
Alright, so I'm gonna bite into it.
The coconut.
Coconut? Nice, man, nice.
Yeah.
Lovely. You have coconut too?
Yeah, man. Maybe a little bit coconut.
How long will that take though?
Coconut.
Oh.
Don't take too long. No?
Okay. No. Alright. Alright, the bus. Alright.
That is
Coconut.
gonna take off
Alright, so it's drizzling a little bit, ladies and gentlemen, so.
this is
Wow.
coconut.
Alright, cool.
Coconut.
Alright.
Okay.
Bust it.
Cut.
Cut out that piece.
Yes.
And we have it. Nice. Alright, so this is mine here. Make it go on warm in the meantime. So this is it. Natural, everything natural, eh?
Yeah. And I'm gonna eat a little piece now.
You want to have a little piece? Alright, brother. Blessings. Love. One love. Touch me now. Cool. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Roast corn Jamaican style. Blessings.